everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Heather Stamper here, and today is a teacher hat day. Now, I called a shelf in my office area here, and I just cut to the chase, and I just pulled a big old stack of professional books that I really haven't touched here. And I'm going to kind of go through them speedy quick and see if they're worth looking at, or just go straight to donate, or what. So here's my stack of books. Oh man, that's heavy. Okay, so first one here is So Much Stuff, So Little Space. It's an organizing thing, and Lord knows I have enough struggles with organizing. And I actually had sticky notes in here. So once upon a time, I actually thought about this and attempted to use it. So what I'll do with this one is I'm going to do a quick skim read over why I thought this was important. And if it's still important, I'll use it. If it's not important, yeet. Why bright kids get poor grades and what you can do about it. 6-step program for parents and teachers. I don't even remember when or why I got this book. So, and it was written when? 1995. No, bless. Okay, this is definitely going into the donate. I have Parents' Guide to Children with Asperger's and Autism. Now, again, so much more research has been done on working with children that have these different abilities, that I am going to say, let's see, when is this one done? Yeah, this was in 2004. And so much has happened in the last 20 years that I'm going to let the special ed teachers with the IEPs help me out with this. This is going to go in the donate pile. Teachers' Plan Book and Calendar of Year-Round Activities. You know, there's a lot of like printable type things, and I have a lot of sticky notes in this one as well. So let's see why it's so special about each month. Now, this is one of those things that I think I bought when I was teaching like upper level elementary. I did teach 4th grade for 1 year, and this would have been really cool for that. The one thing that I will probably take and make copies of before I donate it is the printables of the calendar pages, because I can use that with students. I can either put it in their take-home binders, or I can put it in their put it in a notebook for them and have them practice filling out the days, because these kids and their calendar skills, that's something that I've gotten away from over the years, because there just hasn't been enough time, and I need to make time for it. It just, yeah. So keep for the moment. So this one is Putting the Pieces Together, and this was from a program that I went to back before I got married. That's how long ago this was. Let's see. This was self-published 2004. So I am always very reluctant to get rid of professional development things that I've used to get my license, because, you know, evidence and stuff. But it's been a while, so I don't know, man. I have a couple of dog-eared things. I may give this to my assistant, because she does like inside recess things, and this might be something that she would want to use on those rainy, snowy, the month of January and February, where we really don't have recess. Couple more here. Robert J. Marzano. Ooh. We just use a lot of his materials and philosophies and you know, brain work type things. So The Art and Science of Teaching. I'm pretty sure this was given to me for a professional development thing. So I will probably hold on to this until, you know, we have a new flavor of guru. So because that's how this works. There's good sound stuff in here. There is. It's just that after a while you get so many books like these and your brain kind of goes, no, it just happens. So yeah, I'll probably hold on to this one for a little bit longer. Debbie Diller, making the most of small group differentiation for all. Debbie Diller was really hugely huge with Title I, which is where I originally started from. I didn't get this book until much later, where, it's like I had been working on using more small group learning style in my classroom. And then the pandemic happened and couldn't really do small group because everybody had to be separated. So I think I'll go back and glean this one over again and see what I can use post-pandemic, and then end up donating it to a worthy cause. Other teachers who are looking for this type of strategy. All right. Creating strategic readers, techniques for developing competency and phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension. Wow. There's lots of awesome strategies in here, and I've used some of them. I want to say I probably picked this up at a workshop. And I was like, oh, I'm so going to use this. And then I have like 5 of these. And the reading program we use right now also uses these. So this is going to probably end up in the donate pile. And it's one of those things where it's like a lot of them are just like automatic. I already do them, like stretching out the word, pushing the word in together, pushing the sounds in to make the word, that type of stuff. And, like putting the names of the students up on the word wall so that kids know how to spell their classmates' names instead of trying to go over to their desk and think they're all slick. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So this will most likely get put in the donate. Boom, there it is. How to differentiate instruction in a mixed ability classroom. This is good stuff. And again, I think I got this one pre-pandemic. Obviously pre-pandemic, but still, like shortly before pandemic. It was originally copyright in 2001, so I could see if there's an updated addition to this. Usually my group is tended towards the kids who spend more time on the struggle bus and need more time to get things together. I do have like a couple of kids that are a little quicker on the draw. So I'll check on the additions for this and see if there's any updates. But yeah, this probably will go into the donate pile as well. Math is language 2, talking and writing in the mathematics classroom. Now, this one I got as a freebie. A lot of the stuff are things that I already do. I try to incorporate children's literature. I try to model writing with my students as much as possible. And, it's like showing your work and, different ways to solve problems. So this is going to go in the donate pile. And so there you have it. I took several books and I'm going to donate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right away. And then I'm going to, I'm absolutely keeping 1 for the now, but I'm going to, or I should say, and I'll probably keep this one too. So 2 are absolute keepsies. And then the other 3, I'm going to kind of do a quickie reread and glean what I can glean and then to donate. So there you have it. Well, I hope this was helpful. Maybe it'll help inspire some of you guys going through your books, professional development materials, teachers. Holy cabooses. When you've been teaching long enough, that just kind of piles up and then you don't have space for the new things that you need to do. So yeah, that would be kind of helpful, right? So I feel a little more cleansed and I have more space on my shelf now. Yay! All right, if you like these type of videos, please click like, subscribe, ding-a-ling the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Hello, Gigi. I see you. Yeah. So Yeah, we have, and Gigi is here to help. He's sitting at my feet here. Yay! Good job, Gigi. He helps clear off the counter for me. Good job, buddy. Oh, and then I'll have to keep this one because we really like this pedagogy. I can't say the word. Pedagogy guy. Yes, yes, Gigi. He's in a very important group in my school district. Oh, yay! And Gigi's helping. Come here, you. I have my computer by the window here, and he probably wants to check on the birds. Yeah, I'm a helper. I clear things off for my mama. Yes, you do, don't you? You're looking for your next counter victim. Yeah. Say hi. Oh, you're very interesting bird, so I'm going to let you go check that out. Okay. Yeah, usually he sits on this little table here where I have a computer right now that's facing the window so that I have the light. And so he's like, hey, you're in my spot. He's pulling a Sheldon on me here. So, all right. So anyway,